Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Shaanxi's capital Taiyuan experienced the heaviest rainfall of this year starting on Monday night, with average precipitation reaching 114.4 millimeters this afternoon. The downpours have flooded the city and caused heavy traffic jams on its major roads. A large number of public buses have been halted and flights have been delayed. Heavy rains today lashed several parts of North China, flooding streets and halting transport services as the Meteorological Authority raised its storm alert from yellow to orange. Shaanxi province is experiencing its heaviest rainfall since the high water season began, with 109 out of 119 cities and counties receiving rain today, local authorities said. Heavy rain across the south since July, followed by a powerful tornado and hailstorm in Yanqing City in China's Jiangsu province, have killed 20 people while over 200 are missing. Chinese authorities has advised residents to take precautions against possible floods, landslides, mud and rock flows. Thank you so much for watching. Always take care of yourself and your family. See you in our next video.